Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to redeem UNO code on your mobile device. Redeeming a UNO code on mobile can be done through the application or the official UNO website. I'm going to show it to you how you can do it within the UNO app. Open up the UNO app on your mobile device and make sure you have the latest version installed. Sign into your account, and once you do that, from the home page, click on the settings icon at the bottom left. From the settings menu, click on gift code on the left hand menu. Click on redeem right next to enter the gift code to get great rewards, and enter your gift code in the text box. After you do that, click on the redeem button and follow through the instructions. You should now receive the confirmation message if the code was accepted successfully, and you can now earn and verify rewards. So that is how you can redeem your UNO code in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.